Welcome back, good people. Today, I will focus the lens on the creative technology called smart contract. And in doing so, I will discuss and simplify the concept of smart contract in less than 10 minutes. I aim to tell you the relevant and key points you need to know, like how it works, why, and the utility of the technology. So, grab a cuppa. Of course, I mean a cup of tea, and then subscribe. And thank you for subscribing. To simplify the term smart contract, I will use one or two examples or scenarios to break it down. Just stay tuned. Meanwhile, to inform you, a smart contract is an agreement or consensus between two people without the third party, the bank. And please pay attention to the image on the screen. Look at the upper right hand corner and see the transaction between two people without smart contract. Okay, look closely. You will realize that before you can execute the contract, say for instance, if Mr. Farajala, as an example, want to send money to Mr. George, the third party, bank, must be involved before the transaction could be carried out. This scenario is very much peculiar with our traditional banking system. Okay, now let's look at the second scenario. What do we have here? Okay, now look at the second one below the upper one, the one with the smart contract, the one with the green color. You will see that the bank has been eliminated, meaning this transaction can take place without the bank. Great. Again, it means Mr. Farajala in Sudan can now send money to Mr. George in the US without the bank. Essentially, the bank has been replaced with smart contract, which is faster and charges less fee, unlike the bank. In effect, the smart contract is robust and efficient. Now, let me tell you why and how smart contract can achieve it. You see, smart contracts are simply programs stored on blockchain. Yes, you heard me. Blockchain that runs when predetermined conditions are met. Please let me emphasize this. When predetermined conditions are met. Therefore, the transactions that occur in a smart contract are processed by the blockchain, which means they can be sent automatically without the third party, the bank now. Besides, they are stored in a public database and cannot be changed, meaning smart contracts render transaction traceable, transparent, and irreversible. So with me, let me use another scenario to explain why and how this tech is very creative and useful, and changing the status quo. Let's look at the example of this transaction. Now, let's look at Bitcoin transaction. It looks like this. Toby sent 10 Bitcoin to Shower. That's it. Finito. That's the end of the transaction. Okay, let's just examine transaction which runs on smart contract. Okay, for instance, Ethereum transaction run on smart contracts look like this. Pay attention to this. Send 10 Ethereum from Toby to Shower. If Shower, listen to that, balance is 15 Ethereum, and at this date 12/04/2022. Now, you see why it's called smart contract. Simply, it means Ethereum transaction to the use of smart contract are automatic and programmable. Okay, you see, essentially smart contract enables Ethereum to expand and transcend beyond the limitation of Bitcoin. Wow. The creative tech is also changing or disrupting the financial industry, hence reconfiguring the global financial industry. Okay, please pay attention to this. Smart contract is an enabler, meaning it allows developers to build a wide variety of decentralized apps and tokens. Why is it relevant and important? Okay, they are used in everything from financial tools to logistic and game experiences, and they are stored in blockchain like any other crypto transaction. Again, remember, And let me stress it. As soon as the smart contract app has been added to the blockchain, it generally can't be reversed or changed. That said, smart contract powered apps are often referred to as decentralized application, or quote unquote DAPPX. And they include decentralized finance, or DeFi if you like. Why is this important and how? Okay, stay with me. You see, the concept of DeFi, a decentralized finance system, powered again by smart contract. Listen to that. Powered by smart contract. It's a key player. Amen. It has introduced a paradigm shift in the financial services, and the phenomenon is becoming inevitable by the day. Okay, let me tell you a few examples of how smart contract is transforming financial industry vis-a-vis digital currency or cryptocurrencies. Wow, let me quickly read this to you. Okay, Uniswap, a decentralized exchange that allows users via smart contract to trade certain kinds of crypto without any central authority setting the exchange rate. Voila. 2. Compound, a platform that uses smart contract to let investors earn interest and borrowers instantly get a loan without the need of a bank in the middle. USDC, a cryptocurrency that is pegged via a smart contract to the US dollar, making one USDC worth $1. UDDC is a part of a newer category of digital money known as stablecoins. And to know more about DeFi, please check my video titled Financial Services on Blockchain, DeFi versus Bank. You'll see the clip at the end of this video. Meanwhile, this is key. Please listen to this. To execute a smart contract on the Ethereum network, you will generally have to pay a fee called gas. These fees keep the blockchain running. I hope you find this video very useful, and thanks for watching. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon. And don't forget to subscribe.